All right, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. It's another one of them taste test times. And today's taste test is going to be a little piece of candy. A piece of candy that I saw in the store. I saw it and I was all like, hey, what's this that says 75% off? And it was something that looked like it could be pretty tasty. Now, have y'all seen that commercial? The Chewy peanut butter box commercial with Giorgio and Ralph. Ralph is the big Saint Bernard, Giorgio's the little bitty dog. And Ralph is all like, the peanut butter box is here, the peanut butter box is here. Well, I got a peanut butter cup right here, a peanut butter cup right here. It's got Reese Puffs in it. So I saw that, it was 75% off. I was like, all right, you know, it's only my kind of deal. So let's go ahead and crack it open. See what we got. Because the peanut butter cup is here. I bet when I give it the old Blake sniff test, it's going to smell like peanut butters. Amazing. I was so right. I was so right. Man, can you imagine? Oh, what the heck is that on my arm? That was trying to get me. Oh. All right. It's a big cup, too. The size of that cup. The size of that cup. Because the peanut butter cup is here. Alright. So, this looks like a regular Reese cup. But on the inside, it's got the Reese Puffs. Y'all see that? I'm not a big peanut butter fan of anything but peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. But when I saw it, I said, yeah, we got to taste test that. Alright, so here we go. Oh. That's alright. Didn't have very many Reese Puffs in there. But there was some in there. Because I can taste it. And I can hear it. I can feel it when I can feel it when I crunch on it. I gotta excuse me. One of my coworkers gave me a cold. They was sick and they coughed on me. And then I'm sick. Mother suckers, I tell you. Alright. So, what's that? We're gonna take this last bite. Oh. Well, the peanut butter cup is no longer here. It's in my belly. Alright, y'all, so that gets a thumbs up. I would buy that again. Especially at 75% off. So, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up on the YouTube and the TikToks. Then go ahead and subscribe and follow on the YouTube and TikTok. Then go ahead and hit that notification bell on the YouTube so you can get notified every time I post a video. Let's get to singing some old jingles like the peanut butter box is here. And then go ahead and share this with your friends and family. Have them share with their friends and family. And then go ahead and leave me a comment. Comment and tell me what you'd like to see me try next. Alright? Alright, y'all know what to do. Excuse me again. Alright, y'all take it easy. Bye-bye.